Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you the basics of editing with CapCut. First open CapCut and tap on New Project. Now select the videos you want to use. The clips will appear in your timeline in the same order you selected them, but you can always rearrange them later in the process. This is the timeline where you can edit your clips. Pinch to zoom in or zoom out with your fingers for more precise editing. The white line is the playhead, showing where you are editing. Now, in order to rearrange your clips, just tap and hold on any clip, then drag it left or right on the timeline until it's in the order you want. This way you can organize your story exactly how you like it. To cut your video, move the playhead where you want to split, then tap split. You can delete unwanted sections by selecting them and tapping delete. You can also trim a clip without splitting it. Just tap on the clip, then drag the start or the end of the video inwards until it's at the point you want. The way you can shorten the beginning or the ending quickly without making extra cuts. You may also delete the outro of the CapCut, it's unnecessary. Now to make your video more engaging, you should add some music. Tap audio, then sounds, and there you can see different categories of music that is provided by CapCut itself. Some of them are pro, which means they're not free, some of them are free, but it is better to use your own music. Probably the easiest way to use your own music is by extracting the audio from the video. You can screen record your song from YouTube and then extract it here. If you want to mute all of your clips or most of them, you can tap on this sign that will remove the original sound of the videos. But if you want to turn on specific clips, choose your clip and then tap volume, and you can change however you want. You can also adjust the volume of the music itself. Also, you can change the speed of the sound or music. You have to tap speed and then choose the range you need. There you can make it just slower or faster, or also change with the audio pitch. Now to add text, you click on text icon, then you can type your words and customize the color, style, effects, animations to match your style. Here by tapping style, you can play with different features, and also you can split or trim the text whenever you need to end it. CapCut also has transitions to make your video smoother. Between two clips, tap the transition icon and choose a style. As we can see, there are different categories of transitions such as overlay, light, or blur. And to make your editing process easier, I'd like to add some features that I commonly use to favorites folder. To do that, you have to long press on it and it will be saved. Also, you can adjust the duration of your transitions, slower or more faster. And if you want to copy a specific clip, you should tap duplicate, and then it's gonna give you the same exact clip. CapCut also has a reverse feature. This lets you play your clip backwards, which can create fun or dynamic effects. To use it, just select your clip, tap reverse, and wait for it to process. There are also lots of effects and filters are provided that can change the mood of your video, and you can adjust things like brightness, contrast, and saturation. You can also change the ratio of your video and even customize the background color. But I'll cover these features in more detail in the advanced tutorial. And lastly, in order to download your video, you have to tap AI Ultra HD. There you can regulate your settings like the resolution, frame rate. Then you click on export, and that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope it was useful.